Good afternoon to one and all. So we are going to discuss the bipolar junction transistor. It is nothing but BJT also. We are going to call that one BJT. So bipolar junction. Bi is nothing but two. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is transistor, polar transistor we are going to call. It is nothing but transistor only. The basic transistor is nothing but bipolar junction. Why we are going to tell bipolar junction? And actually the transistor, it is a bipolar. Why we are telling means instead of using one PN junction, there are two PN junctions we are going to use. In a diode, one PN junctions will come, but here in a transistor, two PN junctions will come. So that is bipolar junction transistor. We are going to call that one here now. What we are going to discuss: construction, biasing, configuration with input output characteristics. This configuration with input output characteristics should be discussed in the form of common base, common emitter, common collector, like that. In this form we have to discuss, and once the configuration of all this we have discussed, it means next what we have to do, we have to compare this one it is a current controlled based or what we are doing here now, what is the total current and all the things we have to compare. Common base, common emitter, common collector system, we have to each configuration we have to compare that one, and after last that one routings of the transistor in the first section. In the second section, application of transistor. What is the application means, where we are going to use in the BJT. Actually BJT as a switch and amplifier, two we are going to use here now. BJT as a switch, how it is operating at a as a switch, and how it is operating as a amplifier we are going to call. Amplifier means what? Anyone? Amplifier means what? Have heard the name amplifier? नेम तो सुना है ना नाम?
Yes, sir.
क्या बोलते हैं एम्पलीफायर मीन्स? So amplifier is nothing but which will increases the
Power.
lower signal into higher
Strength.
signal, lower signal into higher signal. Example mic system मालूम है?
Yes, sir.
अभी हमारा आवाज स्लो रहता है, but when we connect to the mic, it will give the more knowledge. In the mobile also, whatever the speakers and all the things are there, they are going to use the amplifiers only. We are going to call that one. Mobile phones, laptops, televisions, everywhere we are going to use these devices here now. The LED TVs we are using, transistor we are using, what is there in that one? All the devices we are using here now. Is it clear? Switch means almost we are going to use as a normal switch only. How it is going to operate, we are going to discuss that one. So what do you mean by transistor? A transistor, bipolar junction transistor, is a three-terminal semiconductor device. In the previous diode, only two terminals was there, but here it is a three-terminal semiconductor device that consists of two PN junctions which are able to amplify a signal. Two junctions are there. These two junctions and three terminals are helps to amplify the signal. Weaker signal into stronger signal. It is going to do that one. That one we are going to call as a bipolar junction transistor. We are going to consider a bipolar junction transistor is a three-terminal semiconductor device. It is also semiconductors only. PNP, N and P, NPN, PNP. These all are the semiconductors only, na? Pure crystal or intrinsic crystal. We are going to call that one. So three-terminal semiconductor device that consists of two PN junctions which are able to amplify a signal here now. And it is also called as a current control device. It is not a voltage control device. By controlling the current, we can do the lower signal into stronger signal here. The three terminals of the BJT are what are those three terminals? Base, collector, and emitter. Emitter, base, collector also we can call any combinations, you can tell that one. Which one now? You remember if which one you were compatible, that one, but all terminal names should be come here now. Base, emitter and collector, or emitter base collector also we are going to call that one. Actually emitter base collector, why we are going to call, I am going to call that one. See that like this, collect emitter to collector, the emitter, it indicates that one, it emits the signal or current, it emits that one, the collector will collect here now. In between which terminal is there?
Base.
Base is there. For that reason emitter base collector, I will use that word, emitter base collector here. This emitter, it will emits, this collector will collects, the base is nothing but intermediate terminal, that is called base, we are going to call that one. So the three terminals of BGT are emitter, base and collector here now. The prime use or function of the major use of or function of this type of transistor is to amplify the current. Current का amplification करना main aim है, low current to the higher current, this one. This makes them useful as a switches or amplifier. By making the current here now, by controlling the current, we can use this one as a switch, or you can use this one as a amplifier here now. They have a wide application in electronics devices. All electronics devices we are using the transistor, like mobile phones में use कर रहे हैं. Speaker है क्या नहीं mobile में?
Yes, sir.
Televisions, radio transmitters and industrial controls and all the things, we are going to use this transistor here now. So a transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify, switch electron signal and electrical power. It consists of three terminals, emitter, base, collector. Okay. Here in this transistor, there are two types of transistors are there. One is NPN transistor, another one is PNP transistor here now. So in the NPN transistor, P is here, NPN transistor, P is sandwiched between both these ends of the N here now. Two N are there connected, and the middle P layer is there. This P type of region is sandwiched between two N type of material here now. So that is NPN transistor we are going to call. Similarly, one more is there, PNP transistor we are going to call, that is PN is sandwiched between two P type layers, P layers we are going to call that one here. This symbol why we are going to use here now. So collector, base, emitter. Here emitter, base, collector we are using here now. Emitter, base, collector here now. Why the arrow is changing here, we'll tell in the next class. Means abhi next slide mein I will explain that one here now. See here, this is NPN transistor is there. Yes. Which is this one? N. What is this?
P.
P. What is this?
N.
N. The current will always flow when positive supply is given to this one and negative supply given to this one. So here the collector current will come to the emitter here now. So P to N current will flow.
Yes, sir.
P to N, the current is coming here now. Here what is there? This is P.
P.
N,
yes.
And P here. So this one is the current is only the direction we are going to use between emitter and base here now. The symbol of this one arrow we are going to show in between the emitter and base here now. This complete diagram we can write in another form also. We can write in the another form also. What it is that this one I can use as a emitter here. Same, this is emitter, na?
Yes, sir.
Base and collector here now. This one. So it will go towards the emitter here now. Towards the emitter, we have to show the arrow mark here. Just understand here, emitter to base, it is going for the PNP. The direction showing that emitter to base. For NPN, base to emitter. Base to emitter, we have to show that one here now. Why we have to show, why the current will go for base to emitter or emitter to base, that one we'll discuss here. So you just check that one. Transistor is a device which consists of two PN junction. The junction may be at forward bias or reverse bias. Forward bias or reverse bias is according to that there are two types of transistor. One is NPN and PNP transistor. This is the NPN transistor we have considered here. This is the collector base emitter here. NPN. So P to N means base to emitter. We have to flow the current here now. Is now our emitter to base here now. Which side B positive is connected? Base side.
P.
P is connected at
Yes.
base time. So base to emitter, it is going. The current will flow here now. The arrow we are going to show that one here. So from seeing this diagram here, which layer it is? Which type of semiconductor?
N.
N type. Here also N type semiconductor is there. So at the middle, P type of semiconductor is there.
Yes, sir.
So in between
Yes,
two N type of semiconductor, the P type of semiconductor is sandwiched here now. Sandwich काय क्या का
sir.
baby? काय है ना sandwich क्यों बोलते word? So some layers are there here. N type, P type, N type here now. So the upper type of the N is terminal we are going to consider as collector, and the lower term or one end of the N is considered as collector, another one is considered as emitter, and whatever the middle type of semiconductor is there, that one we are going to consider as base.
Base.
You know. So in NPN transistor, P type semiconductor is connected between two N type semiconductor here now. P type is connected in between two N type semiconductor. This is called NPN transistor. We are going to call that one. Next PNP transistor here now. PNP. PNP. So here upper term I kept as a collector only. This middle one is base, and downside I have considered emitter here now. So considering base and emitter, which side is P is connected?
Emitter.
Emitter. So a base is in new N type is there. So emitter to base, the direction we have to show. Emitter to base, we have to show the direction here now. So PNP transistor consists of N type semiconductor in between two P type semiconductor here now. Here it is completely reverse of NPN. So in between two P type of semiconductors, one N type semiconductor is connected. So for the two type of semiconductor, one terminal we have connected as collector, another one is emitter, and the middle one, the N type of semiconductor is terminal we are going to call it as base terminal here. So the terminals of the transistor here now. How many terminals are there? 3 terminals are there. Okay. So for the each terminal, what supply we have to give, how much doping we have to do, that one we have to discuss here now. The transistor is a 3-terminal current control device. Remember the word, it is a current control device having mainly 3 terminals, that is emitter, base, collector here now. So first one we will discuss, that is emitter. Emitter supplies charges, is nothing but name itself, it indicates that one. Emits means it is going to give, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
emitters, it is what it is going to give, it is supplies charge carriers. Charge carriers means holes, we are going to call holes are electrons. Charge carriers, what is that one? Full point to here they have given. And this emitter semiconductor is heavily doped for the reason of supplying the charges. ये charge supply कर रहे हैं तो the doping should be heavy, na? The holes and electrons availability in that semiconductor should be more, then only it can supply the charge. For that reason, the name indicates emitter. Emitter means it emits the charge carriers, or it going to supply the charge carriers. It's nothing but holes or electrons. So for that reason, this emitter is heavily doped here now. Heavily doped for the supplying of charge carriers here now. So one thing you have to remember, this emitter is always forward biased. Forward biased किसके लिए बोलते हैं हम? Forward bias means which one we are going to tell that one. At least we have discussed diode and this semiconductor. What do you mean by forward bias? What do you mean by reverse bias? You tell me.
Positive terminal is connected to P.
What?
Positive terminal.
Okay. That
And
is
in a reverse bias,
Mhm.
positive terminal is connected to N.
Okay, very good. So forward bias means if the P type of semiconductor we are using, so for the P type we have to connect the positive supply. If it is N type of semiconductor, then we have to give the N type means negative we have to supply. That is called forward bias we are going to call. If N type is there, negative supply we have to give. If P type is there, positive supply we have to give. That is called forward bias. We are going to call that one. If we have given for the P type, if we have given for negative supply, for that is called reverse bias. Reverse bias we are going to call. If for the N type of conductor is there, we have given the positive supply to that, then that will called as reversed bias. We are going to call that one. So the characteristics of emitter is it is always forward biased. Forward biased means it should be connected. If it is N emitter terminal is connected to the N semiconductor, then negative supply is required. If it is connected to P terminal, then it should have to positive supply is required here now. So emitter is always a end terminal here. One side of end को connection रहते हैं इसको. It may be N, PN. In the NPN terminals, it is one we are going to consider as emitter here. Now this one we can consider emitter, and for the PNP, PNP, this is the end terminal here now. So for the NPN transistor, the emitter terminal should be given to the negative supply, and for PNP terminals, emitter should be given to the positive supply here now. Then only it will become forward bias. Emitter is always forward bias, that is in NPN transistor, N-type emitter is forward biased. N-type emitter means forward bias means which supply we have to give?
Negative.
Negative supply we have to give, and supplies free electrons to the junction. Negative supply diya to free electrons it is going to provide to the junction. If PNP transistor, P-type emitter is forward bias. P-type means we have to give positive supply, and it will
Positive.
supplies the holes here now. Holes to the junction. In between, whatever it may be, how many two junctions are there? For the junctions, if it is negative supply is given, then free electrons it is going to provide. If positive supply is given, then holes it is going to provide here now. So it is going to emit. The emitter is going to emit our supplies. We are going to call that one here now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next terminal is base. We are going to discuss here now. Base means for NPN, it will connect to the P, and for the PNP, it is connected to the N here
Yeah.
now. But this one, it is the middle semiconductor we are going to consider. So it forms two PN junction. Because of this only, two PN junction it is going to form here now. Because of this middle layer, only two junctions will be formed here now. If it is a box, one semiconductor, there is no junction here now. So because of this middle P junction, base called base, here one junction and two junctions they are going to form here. This one junction, this one junction we are going to call that one here now. So it forms two PN junction between emitter and collector here now. The base of the transistor is lightly doped as compared to the emitter. Why it is required? Here we are this one emitter we are heavily doping. Next collector also we are going to dope heavily. The middle one, just to clear these two junctions here now. Just to clear these two junctions, we have to use this one here now. So we cannot say that one it is a forward bias or reverse bias, because the supply we can give emitter to the base we are going to give. Supply always we are going to give to the emitter to base we are going to give or not.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
emitter is forward biased means the base will be almost is a forward biased only. Base should be almost forward bias only, na? We are doing the emitter as a forward bias, then obviously base will be forward biased. If it is N is there, negative supply. If it is P is there, positive supply, we have to give. But the doping required is very less doping is required as compared to the emitter and collector here. No, there is no need to more doping for that. The middle layer or middle semiconductor, that is called base semiconductor, or it may be NPN, or in the PNP, N or P semiconductors, we are going to call that one here. The third one is collector terminal here. Collector, the name itself, it indicates that one collects here now. What it is going to collect, whatever the emitter emits, that one it is going to collect here now. It collects the charge carriers. It may be holes or electrons here now. It is going to collect the charge carriers. The collector is heavily doped in between emitter and base here now. So comparing with emitter and base, the collector is heavily doped, and if the electrons holes are, it is going to collect that one. Collector is always reverse biased. Remember that word. Emitter is forward biased. Collector is
Reverse bias.
Reverse.
reverse biased. It is going to consider here now. So the supply we have to give in between the emitter and collector, we are going to give one more supply here now. Normally the supply we are going to give emitter and collector. In between the emitter and collector, we are going to give here now. So this one is reverse biased, that is in NPN transistor, N type of collector is there. So we have to provide this one positive supply. You have to provide positive supply or negative supply.
Positive.
Positive supply, and is reverse bias. In PNP transistor, it is connected to the P type of semiconductor, which is reverse bias, is nothing but P type को कौन सा connect करना है?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative. We have to connect that one here now. So these are the three type of layers we are going to call that one here now. So the comparison we have done here now. So a transistor has three regions of doped semiconductors. Doped semiconductor, one region is emitter and opposite region is collector here now. Emitter and collector both are opposite here now. The middle region is called as base here now. So the reason emitter base collector we have used, emitter is should be heavily doped. The doping required is heavily, and physical size is moderate here now. It is not big but moderate, medium size is required. It is going to emit here now. So base is doping required for the base is light doping is required. The size is very thin size of the base is required here now. The collector is heavily doping ka jarurat nahi, because it is going to collect the electrons or holes. It is going to collect here now, free electrons, free carriers it is going to collect. So doping is moderate, but the physical size should be large for that one here now. Physical size should be large here now. A transistor has two PN junction, one between the emitter and base, called as emitter base junction we are going to call here now. 1 2 3 emitter base collector here now. So emitter to base one junction is there here, base to collector
Yes,
one
sir.
more junction is there. So whatever the emitter to base junction is there, that is emitter junction we are going to call. So that may be JEB junction, JEB or JE also. Emitter junction or emitter base junction also we can call it here now. Another one is between collector and base, called as collector junction we are going to call. Collector junction, JCB or JC we are going to call that one here now. Is it clear up to here?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So next what we will do, we are going to discuss the biasing. We are going to call that one here now. Biasing means we have to give the supply here now. Which type of transistor is there here?
NPN.
NPN transistor is there here now. So NPN, this one I will consider as emitter, this one I will consider as collector, this one I will consider as base here now. So the collector should be forward biased or reverse biased here?
Reverse.
Reverse.
Collector should be reversed bias, and the collector should be, supply should be given to the collector to the base here now. They have considered common base, we have considered here now. Common base is common here. Remember, which one we have considered?
Base.
Base is the common here now. For the both here now, base is common we are considering. For collector to base, the collector N type of semiconductor is there here. So N type को positive supply we have to give. Positive supply देना है ना इधर?
Yes, sir.
So we have to give the positive supply. So positive supply is given to the N here now. So for in the N type of semiconductor, the current flowing is, that is called IC, is nothing but collector current, we are going to call that one here. The collector current we are going to call that one here now. Collector current here now. So when we will give the positive supply to this N type of this one, so this junction, the barrier potential will increases, it will not conduct at all. इधर stop हो जाते ना? It is already electrons are there, we are injecting the holes here now. So what will happen? It will reverse current will be produces and it will stops only. It will not break this junction. ये junction break करते क्या इसको positive supply देने के बाद?
No, sir.
No. Then another terminal is there, that is called emitter here now. So emitter should be forward bias or reverse bias?
Forward.
Forward bias.
Bias. Forward means here N type of semiconductor is there. For a N type, we have to provide the negative supply,
Negative.
and P is there. Here we have to provide the positive supply.
Positive.
Here. By providing the positive supply to the this P here, this N here now, what it will do, they will breaks here now. This whatever the PN junction is there, emitter junction is there, it will breaks here. Once it is breaked means what already there P को P positive supply we have given from the base. Yes, here the positive supply is given. So because of this whole electrons it will makes, and it will depletion layer will start to decrease by using both sides. It is going to start to decrease. Once the depletion layer of both base junction and collector junction and emitter junction breaks, the current will start to flow from in this direction here now. Electrons holes will start to flow in this direction here now. IC current direction कैसे है? ऐसे है ना? It is going like this.
Yes, sir.
The base current is also like this here now. The emitter current is coming here now. It is downside here now. So after breaking the depletion layer here now, I will tell you people that इधर 3 रूम है तुमको, है ना? Okay. 3 रूम है. Either some peoples are there, here some peoples are there, here some peoples are there here. They want to break this wall. A wall, A layer ka students hai na, they are going to break this one. These peoples, they want to break this wall. So it will breaks easily. Easily break हो जाते क्या? इसको सपोर्ट चाहिए. कौन सा सपोर्ट चाहिए हमको ये ब्रेक करने के लिए? इधर खाली है ना ये लोग, दिस रूम, इन बिटवीन दिस रूम, ये एक जेल कंसिडर करो. जेल है इधर, ये 3 रूम है कंटिन्यूअसली. इधर का जेल, whatever the criminals are there, they want to escape from here. These peoples also they want to escape from here now. So what will happen? These peoples they will try to break this one, and these peoples they are trying to break this one here now. So what it will happen to break the wall? Some more criminals are important here now. So I will add some more criminals here now. Criminals we are going to add here now. So these peoples they will try to break this one as well as this one here now. दोनों walls को break करने के लिए try करते हैं. Positive forward bias is nothing but criminals और criminals को add करना है सोचने का. Forward bias means क्या है? 3 रूम में, समझ में आ रहा है क्या? एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं मैंने अभी। 3 रूम
Yes,
है
sir.
इधर, हाँ 3 रूम है इधर. आई विल एड सम क्रिमिनल्स आर देयर हियर नो. हियर आल्सो some criminals are there here. Some criminals are there here now. So to break this one for the escape, both will try to escape here now. Forward bias means what happen? और थोड़ा criminals को ऐड किया तो उनको हेल्प हो जाता है ना ब्रेक करने के लिए, है ना?
Yes, sir.
और दो
Yes,
तीन
sir.
क्रिमिनल्स को ऐड किया तो इसको हेल्प हो जाते हैं ये ब्रेक करने के लिए. सपोज रिवर्स बायस मींस आई विल ऐड सम पुलिस पीपल हियर नो टू प्रोटेक्ट द वॉल हियर. इट इज रिवर्स बायस हो गए. दे विल अपोज द ब्रेकिंग. यस,
Yes,
they will
sir.
oppose the breaking
Yes.
here now. So in between these two junctions, they will not break over that one. So to support the criminals, what they are going to do, some more criminals are added here in between this center room. So in this center room, criminals are added is nothing but the base is the forward bias here now. Forward bias
Yes,
is
sir.
connected
Yes,
here
sir.
now. What it will do, this will, some peoples they will attack to this wall, some peoples they will attack to this wall. It will breaks here now and they will try to escape here somewhere here. Yes, दोनों तीनों एक हो गए ना अभी. So on that situation what I am telling here now, so this is a reversed bias here now. It is reversed bias. This current will stops here only, they will not move. It is opposition will be more over there. So when this is forward bias means we are breaking this layer, and when the base is forward bias on that situation, both the depletion layer will breaks. Once it is breaks means it will, current will start to flow from collector to the emitter here. Collector to the emitter. Here the forward bias is there, collector to the emitter it is going to give here. No, but what we have to give, the output current is IE here. Total output current is IE. Which current is coming here? IE means what? Here IC is also coming towards this one,
Yes, sir.
and IB is also coming here now. IB and IC both are summation of base current and collector current. It will give the IE emitter current. It is going to give for the common base circuit here now. This is for the common base circuit here now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
For
sir.
the, this is called NPN transistor we are going to call here now. So the circuit symbols they are used here now. This is the emitter. This is, sorry, collector, emitter, base we are using here now. So base to collector, whatever the voltage we are applying here now, base to collector, that is VCB we are going to call that one. VCE, base to collector, or sorry, base to collector, VCB we are going to call that one here. If base to emitter is there, that is VBE we are supplying here now. The voltage across the base emitter is called VBE here now. Whatever the voltage here, we can connect the voltmeter here now. It may be common collector or common emitter also. On that situation we can use here now. If it is connected here, supply is given to this one means that is called VCE, voltage across collector to the base here now.
Emitter.
Collector to the, sorry, emitter, collector to the emitter, we are going to call that one here. So according to this, IE equal to, IE means that is outgoing, the arrow is coming downside. See here, arrow is coming downside or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So IE equal to, which
Yes, sir.
currents are coming? IC is coming here up to the base. Then at the base, IB will also
IB.
add with that one. So IE equal to IB plus IC, we are going to call here now. We are going to call that one here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So that one only. एक minute. So next, this one only they have given the explanation here. VB is positive at the base, negative at the emitter, because for NPN transistor. So same explanation they have given here now. Whatever I have explained with the diagram, they have given here now. I will read if you want. The NPN transistors are three-terminal, three-layer devices that can function as either amplifiers or electronic switches here now. The voltage between base and emitter here now, base and emitter, they are telling that one is positive at the base and negative at the emitter, because the emitter is N type of semiconductor and base is the P
P.
type of semiconductor here now, because for NPN transistor, the base terminal is always positive with respect to the emitter, here now. The collector supply voltage is positive with respect to the emitter because the collector terminal is N type of semiconductor, so it should be always reverse biased. For that reason, for N type of semiconductor, we have given the positive supply here now. So for bipolar PNP transistor, to conduct the collector is always more positive with respect to both base and the emitter here now. We have to apply more supply to the collector. They are telling that one here now. Similarly, for the PNP junction, I will consider that one here. For the PNP transistor here now. PNP transistor, first we will consider the collector. You will consider here now. Collector, which semiconductor is there here?
P.
P is there. P को कौन सा we have to give? Which we have to give?
Connect.
Negative.
Negative we have to give. So negative we have given here.
Yes.
Negative
Yes,
we have
sir.
given. So considering the emitter here now, here P is there. So positive we have to give here now. Positive we have to give. And for the base, negative we have to give here now. Considering this emitter and base voltage only, the current direction we have to do. Emitter to base only we have to do here now. So emitter to the base here now. So the direction should be same here now. Previously for the NPN, base to emitter current flow हो रहा था, मालूम है?
Yes, sir.
For the, just I will show you that one. For the NPN here, base to emitter, base ही कौन सा है इधर, base to emitter direction is there here, base to emitter, yes.
Yes, sir.
But for the PNP here, emitter to the base, the current should flow from the emitter to the base. It should have to flow here now. Emitter to the base, then base to the collector here now. Emitter to the base to the collector here now. Emitter to base, some current will flow, then it will go to the collector here now. So what will be happening here now? Whatever the emitter current is coming towards here now, some current will flow through the base here now, which will give here two paths here now. IC equal to IE minus IB. I will tell you later that one. First we will listen here now. So the collector is reverse biased, negative supply is given here now. And the emitter is forward biased, it is connected to P and P is given to the here now. So the current will now, it will flow from emitter to the collector now.
Collector.
Emitter to the collector, the current should have to flow here now. So it is connected to the positive, it is connected to the negative. Easily it will breaks here now. Easily it will breaks here now. Once it is breaked, means it will not take much time to break this opposition of the barrier potential, and this will overcomes and it will breaks here now. The current will start to flow here now. Current will start to flow here. But whatever the IE is there, all current it will not flow to the collector here now. Some current it will go to the base here now. It will reverse now here. It should have to go to the reach in a minus to the source. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So some current emitter to base, the current will flow here now. So the total current IC here now. IC इधर total इधर से इधर current कितना आ रहा है? IC current should have to come here now. Emitter to the collector, IC should come here. But IC equal to IE. IE is coming towards the IC. Yes. IE
Yes, sir.
minus IB we have to write here. IE minus IB. So some current is flowing through the new वापस return to the source, that is destination of the source. It is going that one. So IC equal to IE minus IB. That is called our PNP transistor circuit. It is nothing but PNP transistor. It is also a common base only. Base we have considered as common here now. So this is the circuit symbol we are using here now. Emitter, base, collector here now. So the current coming when will positive supply is given to the emitter, the current will go through the direction towards the base, but the base it should have to going away the current, that is minus IB. The current direction of the base is minus IB we have to give here now. And again IC is same towards the collector side, it is going to collect here now. So IE equal to, by seeing इधर से मालूम नहीं होते, इधर से देखो अभी IE equal to, sorry, IE minus IB equal to IC.
I see.
IE plus है ना ये, so coming towards here now in the same direction. IE minus IB equal to IC, we can say that one here. So same explanation we have given here now. The PNP transistor is the exact opposite to the NPN transistor device. PNP is exactly opposite, because opposite हो सकते 100%, because N type is completely reverse to the P type semiconductors. All the nature of the semiconductor will itself it is different. If the P is replaced by N or N is replaced by P, so PNP transistor is exact opposite to the NPN transistor here now. The voltage between the base and emitter is now negative at the base and positive at the emitter, because P type of semiconductor is there, so that is positive. A negative N type of semiconductor is there at the base, that is called negative supply we have to give one at the emitter, because for PNP transistor the base terminal is always forward biased, so negative with respect to the emitter we have given here now. Also the emitter supply voltage is positive with respect to the collector, that is called VCE, emitter to collector to emitter, we are going to give that one here now. So for PNP transistor, to conduct the emitter is always more positive with respect to the both base and collector here now. Emitter will be more positive, we have to tell that one here. So we will continue for the next, that is called types of PNP transistor here now. How many types of PNP transistors are there? How many types are there? Here 3 terminals are there. Mainly the terminals of the transistors are base, emitter, collector. Yes, base, emitter, collector here now. So previously we have discussed the diagram. According to that diagram, we have to take in between base as a common, we have to consider. Yes, you have considered
Yes, sir.
while giving the supply common base configuration. The base we have connected in between common for both emitter and collector. Similarly, the emitter is considered as common, then common emitter configuration we are going to consider. Emitter is considered common with respect to the base and with respect to the collector here. With respect to the collector, emitter is considered as common. And third criteria, that is called common collector configuration, that is called collector is common in between base and emitter here now. So whatever the previous diagram we have discussed, just a minute, this one, see here now. Here the base is connected, emitter to base, collector to base. We have used the common supply here now. Yes, we have used the common supply. If it is not, if it is common collector is there, collector is common, on that situation, the emitter to collector supply should be go, emitter to the collector, and base to the collector, the supply should go here now. Yes, this one is the common collector, we are going to call that one. If it is common base, sorry, common emitter, then base to the emitter we have to give the supply, base to the emitter, and collector to the emitter we have to give the supply here. See here, common collector is nothing but emitter to collector. Yes, समझ में आ रहा है क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
कॉमन कलेक्टर मीन्स दिस कलेक्टर टर्मिनल शुड बी कॉमन फॉर बोथ हियर नाउ। एक सप्लाई देने का कलेक्टर और एमीटर को। सो इधर पॉजिटिव है, इधर नेगेटिव सप्लाई देने का, क्यों तो ये रिवर्स बायस होना है कंपल्सरी, एंड ये पॉजिटिव सप्लाई फॉरवर्ड बायस होना है इसको। एंड अनदर वन इज बेस टू द अनदर कलेक्टर बेस टू द collector here now, base to the collector here now, and here n and here p, because base should be forward biased here. So that is common collector, we are going to call that one. If emitter we have to make common, emitter make common है तो लेफ्ट टर्मिनल कौन सा बचा है अभी? बेस बचा है,
Base.
बेस टू एमिटर
Yes.
एक सप्लाई देने का, कलेक्टर टू एमिटर एक
Collector
सप्लाई देने
to
का, ये
emitter.
कॉमन हो गए ना, दोनों का सप्लाई पॉइंट कॉमन हो गए, इधर दोनों का सप्लाई पॉइंट कॉमन हो गए। सो इधर दोनों का सप्लाई पॉइंट कॉमन है। So this is common base, common collector, common emitter supplies, we are going to call that one. So in detail with the diagram and with the derivations, I am going to explain in the next class. I will explain that one. Today anyhow we have discussed 2 classes. That thing also it will get bore for you peoples. Some derivations are also there. This is CB, common base, common collectors, and all the things are there already. So see this one, actually junctions we are going to call that one here now. This diagram you can see here now. Condition forward bias, which junction it is? Emitter junction. Emitter to base का junction रहते हैं ना, emitter should be always forward bias रहने का, वो saturation region, cutoff region and all the things I will explain in the next class. So we'll stop here only, another 5 minutes is there, no problem.
सर टेस्ट आहे का?
क्या बोले? टेस्ट
टेस्ट?
नहीं है, नहीं है, क्वेश्चन पेपर नहीं किया मैंने।